Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C31, and today I'll show you how we can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the hotspot toggle, which for me looks to not be visible here. So I assume you'll probably have the same layout right here. So if you don't see it, tap on this pencil, and we should be able to find it somewhere here. And yep, there we go. So once you find your hotspot, grab it, drag it over to the top, drop it, and you can now access it easily. So before I do so, I'm going to turn off airplane mode. This will allow me to actually access the button. So from here, if you're doing this the first time, and assuming you're watching this video, you most likely are, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now from here, select Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have access to the settings. Now the most important one right here would be the hotspot password, which is just randomly generated. So I recommend removing this one and simply setting your own. It does need to have 8 characters in length, at which point you can save it. And there's a couple additional settings. So you can change the hotspot name, which is obviously going to be the name of the Wi-Fi that it creates in the Wi-Fi list. We have turn off hotspot automatically. I do recommend keeping this on. And you have a couple additional things to mess around here if you want to. So once you have changed the most important thing, password, you can simply leave this place and you don't have to ever come back here again, assuming you don't want to change any of the settings. And whenever you want to use your hotspot, find the toggle, tap on it, and there we go. As you can see, it turns on, and that's all you really need to do. Now once you're done with it, it will either turn off automatically based on that toggle if you kept it on, or you can tap on it again yourself to turn it off yourself. And as you can see, hotspot does use the Wi-Fi, so whenever you turn on hotspot, it uses the same antennas, I assume, to broadcast the Wi-Fi signal that you'd use normally for yourself for Wi-Fi. And because of that, you won't be able to utilize, for instance, like your home network. You will always be using your mobile network to broadcast and also to use it yourself when hotspot is enabled. So something to keep in mind. But anyway, that is how you could set up your hotspot and use it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.